Hello, we have reached the final chapter of our garden makeover with Keith Edwards' fabulous design. And Keith is here with us today, complete with mask, to help us finish it off. Now we've got two things left to do, but before we do that, Keith is going to show us this fabulous and simple drip irrigation system that he has put in.
We've improved the soil, we've built up the organic matter that was never there for many years, so we built that up, and now we've just put in a very simple drip irrigation system. Now these are drippers that have been installed on the inside of the tubes every 300 mil, and they just drip out water over a given area. Now what happens here is that we've got circles and we've got lines coming across here. The whole idea of that system is that when it's turned on for long enough, we have a capillary action happening with the water. So the water will wet out and will touch the other wetted areas from the other drippers that are going in and around it. So we get a total wetted area throughout the whole thing.
Keith, we've talked about mulches before. I'm a fan of pea straw mulch for its water saving and nutrient benefits.
Yep.
We've also talked about Neutrog's Hooflung Dung, which is fabulous. What are we talking about today?
Well, we're talking about coir. So this is the leftovers from the coconuts, an incredibly sustainable product that's come all the way from Sri Lanka. So this has been dehydrated and compressed and packed into bricks, and then all you do is you open them up, put them into a wheelbarrow and you add water and boom.
Which I've done, which is a little bit of fun actually. I quite enjoyed doing that. So we're going to pop a whole layer of that on before we put the plants in?
Exactly. Much easier to put the mulch first and then plant into it than go the other way around, because you're going to be breaking plants and doing all sorts.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. Okay, we've got to get Tinker to move because she's taking over the film today, and then we're going to start with the mulching. And now for the best bit, the planting. And a bit of Neutrog sudden impact for roses to give the plants a real boost.
The concept has a hedge all the way through the front here of lavender. It has another hedge at the back which will get up to just the height of the windows, and that is Choisia Little Dazzler. We have Knife Off here, Percy's Pride here with beautiful yellow heads, Agastache Sweet Lavender, Kilia, Moonshine in through here, Lichnus Coronaria, which has got the sensational long stems of almost a rose-like flower. Down through the front here, we've got the Salvia Ostfriesland, which is the beautiful blue salvia, and then in behind it, we've got Rudbeckia Goldstrom, which is going to have beautiful long yellow daisy-like flowers with black centres. Then across the back is another Achillea, and that one there is called Cerise Queen. So lots and lots of contrast with colours and foliages, and that will just about finish this garden off. But it'll give flowering for months and months and months, not just a quick impact. So it'll look absolutely superb by about the end of February.
Yippee! It's been a slow and steady process, but I am so confident, thanks to Keith, that we have done absolutely everything to ensure that this garden is going to thrive. Roll on spring, and thank you so much, Keith.
My pleasure. We'll have a great garden.